Hey, what's up, XRP holder? What I see, you can see here. Will XRP ever reach 1,000 US dollar? I can't believe that this is impossible. This is crazy, again. This is I can't believe that. I can't. You can see here 1,000 subscribers. This is possible. What you say? This is possible. Let's see to what's they are saying, but please, I request you, my brother, please subscribe Stick channel for latest price prediction of all cryptocurrencies. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe it. Thanks for subscription. Okay, so let's see to what they are talking. You can see here. No, yes. No, Ripple XRP will never reach 1,000 subscribers. This is because its totally circulation is less than 100 billion. Yes, absolutely. This is less than 100 billion. Therefore, it's impossible. I think the 10 billion as their circulation, which means it would need to have a market capitalization of 100 trillion. Oh my god, what's that? What's there? Oh my god, 100 trillion. I think this is crazy. And in order to hit a price of 1,000 US dollar, if they cross 100 trillion, then it's possible to they cross 1,000 US dollar. Otherwise it is impossible, guys. Otherwise it is impossible. Okay, the second question is, what will Ripple be worth in 2030? Let's see to what's going on 2030. What's the chance in 2030? So let's see. According to the criterion, Ripple could approach and exceed the price of 10 US dollar. Listen, understand, guys. 10 US dollar by 2030. Yes, reaching 17 US dollar to 20 US dollar. Oh my goodness, if you can see the latest changes, then absolutely, if they take this type of change, then I hope they can cross it in 2020, 15 you 30 you 20 US dollar. Absolutely, this possible to they cross it 17 to 20 US dollar by 2030. Oh my goodness, this is long journey, man. Ripple coin news also predicts the Ripple may reach 10 US dollar by 2030. It is also possible today can cross just only 10 US dollar by 2030. So let's see to what's going on. Can XRP reach 20 US dollar? What you say, can they can reach? Please answer in a comment box. XRP could reach as a high as 20 US dollar by 2020. They said as XRP climbs at his the greatest capacity of all other cryptos. Guys, oh my goodness, that is a great test. Can you listen? It is a great test capacity. Ripple Coin News, the second largest traffic based news website, estimated the coming years will surprise as a smooth time for Ripple XRP complex trend. You can see here absolutely this they tell absolutely right, and I hope they can cross it 20 US dollar. What you say? Can they can cross? Please tell me. How high will Ripple go in 2020? So this is odd question. Let's skip it. What will XRP be worth in 10 years? Wow, this is great question. And this is, I think, old. You can see here absolutely 17 to 20 US dollar. They can cross it. What you? So this is a old question. Okay, so can XRP reach 5 US dollar? What do you say, man? Can they can cross? Yes, Ripple is predicted to grow in a value and could reach the price of 5 according to experts. Ripple in particular is predicted to grow in a value and estimated Ripple could not reach the value of 5 US dollar and period of 2 to 5 year. Oh my goodness, 5 years they can cross it 5 US dollar. Oh my goodness, I cannot sell it, guys. I wait for 2025. Yes, what will Ripple be worth in 2020? Yes, this is a question. Conclusion, as Ripple good investment, and what is the future of Ripple? Oh my goodness, year potential high, potential low. So this is absolutely very important. And 2021, you can see here they can easily hit 4 US dollar. This time you can see here they have 0.05 at the low. Then you can see here the lowest you can see here potential as 0.05, but the potential highest is for US dollar, not even 5 US dollar. So it's impossible. But yeah, you can see here if you wait for 2025, then I hope they can cross it 140 US dollar. Oh my goodness, this is crazy, man. And the lowest as 8 US dollar. So I hope they can hit it. Okay, so the question is very more. You can see here they cannot over. So I hope that these question you also like it. Why is XRP bad? So this is very important question. This is the last question you can see here. And the crypto scenes the Ripple as accused of not being as a real blockchain. The reason are that as a centrally controlled enterprise as not made and is controlled by a company. However, for Ripple purpose, those are not bad things. And so the price drops to its actual value. Absolutely, sometimes they go down, sometimes they up. So this is very good. I think my expectation is very good from XRP because this is very fastest cryptocurrency. They cannot so please you cannot ignore this. This is very fastest cryptocurrency. If you want to invest, please invest, but I cannot. This is not a financial video. Okay guys, understand. You research personally and then decide to invest or not invest. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, please give one comment and this video and like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.